we're gonna be making pizza for breakfast. I'm gonna use pita bread as pizza dough, but you can use any type of low-calorie flatbread or even tortilla. If I don't have the pita bread, I use that as well. I'm gonna also show you how to make a tomato sauce that's extremely simple. You get it ready in 5 minutes, just one ingredient with some spices, and you don't even have to buy tomato sauce in a store that is filled with sugar and who knows what else. You can always top it with whatever you like, but I decided to go with a prosciutto and cheese and put nice sunny side up egg on top. Let's go and grab the ingredients. I have here 10 ounces of San Marzano style tomatoes. I'm gonna add oregano, basil, salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. Blend it well and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on medium-high until the sauce thickens slightly. And that's it, you got your sauce. You can put it on the pita bread hot or cooled, however you like. Now, the pita bread, you're gonna divide it, put it in half. I'm gonna have 6 pizzas here. So this is the best way. You just cut the edges and inside just comes out clean. Make sure you don't cut your hands or fingers. And see, it's that easy. Literally comes off clean. Now, we're gonna use that tomato sauce. I only made 10 ounces, so it was enough for a small layer. But if you'd like more, feel free to double the recipe or even more if you maybe make more pizzas. Or you want to store it, because this stores very well in the fridge for at least a week. Cover it very well, and then I'm using low-calorie, high-protein Swiss cheese. You can also use mozzarella cheese, which is not very calorie dense either. And then I have here prosciutto, because it tastes good, of course, and also it's a very low calorie meat that you can use, and much healthier also. The process of it's much healthier, so much better option. Now I put it in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending how crispy you like. And I'm gonna prepare the eggs. For the look of it, they're gonna look beautifully sunny side up. So I'm gonna season them with salt and pepper, and I forgot here, but I also put at the end oregano. Tastes very good with oregano on top. Now, after the 10 minutes, I took it out of the oven, and because my eggs are not completely set, I'm gonna put them on top and broil in the oven. That way the top sets. It only took me 30 seconds to get it to the desired doneness, which is extremely runny. That's how I like it. If you like it more set, you don't like the eggs that are runny, make sure you add a few more seconds, or maybe even 30 seconds, who knows, just play with it. And that's how they come out. 428 calories of pure deliciousness. You can also use mushroom, onion, tomatoes, whatever you like on top. You can make a different pizza crust like tortilla. You can have these eggs over easy, however you like, your choice. Leave a comment below what pizza toppings you like the most, what crust do you like to use, and make sure to watch these 2 videos. And I'll see you on the next one.